वैज्ञानिका डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च कॉम्प्लेक्स South India is from Rosen, and I have taken Rosen from which is the book. It is not published.
Book English, though scientific words I could not follow, but in general I could read the book. The charitable quality belonging to the Matabari temple dynasty for a few generations and traditional genealogy, not only the love for agriculture but also the desire to bring all his experiences in the form of a book made me come to this release program. Soil of Tripura. This book is translated into a Bengali as Tripura Mati Arbakara Pariksha Dosal Chasbas e Gabisana. Though the first book was brought in English, it was also brought in Bangla so that the common agriculturist could understand it. The inclusion of colorful pages and figures in Bengali translation book is also more commendable. Today happens to be the International Ozone Day, and fortunately we are here to discuss about the soil and its advantages. In the Bengali version of the book, he has included so many photographs of insects and pests and diseases of plants and vegetables and crops and the nutrient deficiency of various crops. It will help the cultivators to ascertain the correct insects, pests, diseases, and particularly nutrient deficiency in crops, and to take necessary precautions by using pesticides, fungicides, weedicides, etc. I congratulate this author for that, and I am very happy that this book has been launched in my hands.